Hello my people, I don come again o. Na your ogbonge AB media na im don dey arrive o. I say make I tell una don dey see una government na Nigeria government wey dem go dey sing Naija jaga jaga. Una go say na person, the person no know wetin im dey sing. Na this wey evil don dey for the land, wey every bad thing don full for ground for the country. Wetin again wey you want, which sign again you want to see? Which type of sign you want to see again? The country where God give us a good country, the bad leaders, we have a very bad leaders in our country. Africa, a lot of us, a lot of our leaders, they are mean. You understand? You see the pigeon no gree go, e no gree go, e dey gidigba stand there, e no wan go. You no wan go. You understand? The pigeon no gree go, my people. Make una no mind me. You no gree go. The pigeon still dey gidigba and say no, e no dey go anywhere. And this way pigeon move like that, you will know that it's not the pigeon no even fly. E just dey, e no gree go. Therefore, it's a very bad this thing, bad sign, very bad sign. And I don't know what is wrong with our leaders. I don't know what is wrong with our leaders. What they now say that anybody want to take, if the pigeon enter your body, if you want to take it, you take it. The pigeon already show you people that there's no good sign in Nigeria. No good sign, no good government. We have to know that one. You understand? So we no need to when you're telling us the pigeon, if you touch your body, if you want to take it, no problem. Anybody can take it. There are some certain things we need to learn in this our country. You understand? And that thing is a very bad thing. As the pigeon no even fly at all. Nigeria, they disappoint us. Our leaders
for the release of the commemorative pigeons and thereafter sign the register. The release of the pigeon signifies peace. The release of the pigeons signifies peace and a new dawn. The pigeons, and they must go. If you are lucky to catch one, you are free to do whatever you want. Yes, they've been caged for too long, so they are used to the cage. They will fly in due course. They've been released.
You see, the pigeon no gree go. The pigeon still dey gidigba and they look them. E good as na watch. E good as na watch. Una see our country, Nigeria. Sometimes I don't know the kind of things where they are saying everything jaga jaga. They go say na music. Why you sing this music? But which is true? What they are saying is true. The country needs serious prayers. I don't know if I can say another country to come and rule us. If it's white man, let the white man come and rule us. As we will be black, the black cannot rule us again. They don't know how to rule. So let the whites come and rule us. Make we see changing. If the white can even do our country good, it's better for us. When we have everything in Africa, the people that we call a leader, they will be doing evil things. See pigeon no gree go. Pigeon stand gidigba and they look them. They try. So the pigeon they on top of camera, they follow them, they go. You know gree. Giant of Africa. And they call una head they swell up. But una no fit prove am. because of a bad leaders. This one will show you example that you people, all the things, evil things you people are doing in that country, that God is seeing it. The pigeon dey gidigba, you don't want to look at anybody. You just want to stay there. You don't want to move where you're supposed to be. When you open the pigeon and the pigeon will fly out immediately. Go and watch white people. The thing will just fly immediately. But African, oh, because of a Baba leaders, they know what they are doing. What the person that have the microphone said, he said, the pigeon, if you stay in your body, or if you can take them, it can take. Because you people know what you people are doing. You people know what you guys are doing, and what you people are doing in that country is very, very wrong. Because we have a lot of things in our country, but we people will see a human being like a human being will be wearing clothes. We think he is a human being. What is another thing is inside? Evil leaders in Africa. I don't know why some people are so wicked. They don't care about human being. They don't care about people. They don't care about people that are suffering up and down. They don't care. So the pigeon already shown a sign, say bad is happening here. This one's supposed to show you people that you know that real there is a bad and hunger everywhere. There's no food. People are suffering. A lot of people are suffering. And the leader that you call yourself a leader, you have to know what you're doing in your country. If you don't know how to be a leader, you calm down. Somebody that knows how to be a leader will stand up. Not to be a leader, he cannot lead your people well. You don't care because it's not your family. You don't care because people are not eating. You don't care because you're on top. Nobody would challenge you, which is very wrong. Nigerian leaders, God is seeing you people, all the things you people are doing, and feel that you're on top. One day, everything is going to be, you will say, had I known. You guys have to change for those your evil characters, evil things you people are doing. Nigerian leaders, when they put you there, innocent people put you there to rule them, it cannot rule them well. You're weakening them. There's no food, there's no job, a lot of people suffering, and where they are the one that put you in that seat. And when you're looking for the seat, you'll be pretending, buying bag of rice, buying things, giving them money, because you want to stand there. When you stand up, after you turn to tiger, you will change. Please, my brothers, let us be careful and be praying for our country. And may God bless you all as you're watching my video. God bless you.